The 10mm isn't just another caliber. It's a completely different attitude. When it launched, it hit the market like a hammer fast, powerful, and for a short time it looked like it might replace the 9mm as America's go-to defensive round. The cartridge came from a collaboration between Norma Ammunition and Colonel Jeff Cooper. At its core, it's a .40 caliber projectile seated in a shortened .30 Remington case. The original loading pushed a 170-grain bullet at 1,300 feet per second. That's not plinking range energy. That's heavy, fight-stopping energy. Over the years, the 10mm has stretched both ends of the spectrum. You can find lightweights at 135 grains running past 1,200 feet per second, or deep-penetrating 230-grain hard-cast loads smashing in at 1,150. That range makes it one of the few semi-auto cartridges equally at home in concealed carry, duty use, or even backcountry predator defense. And today we're breaking down the top 7 pistols chambered in 10mm that you can actually buy right now. Polymer workhorses, steel classics, and everything in between. Let's kick it off. Number 7. Rock Island Armory TAC Ultra FS HC in 10mm. If you want serious firepower with a classic 1911 profile, this one deserves attention. The TAC Ultra is a double-stack, all-steel 1911 running 16+1 rounds of 10mm. That's 16 in the magazine and 1 chambered capacity you usually don't see in this platform. The extra steel weight works in your favor. Even with full-pressure loads, recoil is very manageable, and the gun tracks smoothly in rapid fire. Fitment is solid, with both front and rear slide serrations that bite deep enough to run even with gloves on. It uses a 5-inch match-grade barrel and a full-length guide rod to keep the cycling consistent. Up top, you'll find an adjustable rear sight, paired with a fiber optic front that jumps right into your sight picture under daylight. The grip panels are textured aggressively grippy enough for control, but not sharp enough to chew up bare hands. There's a railed dust cover for mounting a white light or laser, and it ships standard with a skeletonized hammer and trigger. The trigger pull itself is clean, with a quick reset exactly what you want when you're pushing a cartridge with the snap of 10mm. From a value standpoint, it's hard to argue with this gun. You're not paying boutique 1911 money, yet you're getting full steel durability, double stack capacity, and real 10mm authority, usually for under $1,000. Whether you're running duty, carrying for defense in the woods, or just want a heavy-hitting range piece, the TAC Ultra can take the abuse and deliver accuracy with power. Number 6. Springfield Armory XDM Elite 4.5 OSP in 10mm. If you prefer a modern polymer frame platform, Springfield built this one from the ground up to handle hot 10mm. The 4.5-inch OSP model runs a full-length slide with a match-grade barrel, giving you excellent control and accuracy right out of the box. The Meta trigger in the Elite line is one of the cleanest striker-fired pulls available today. Short take-up, a crisp wall, and a fast reset. Ideal for defensive shooting, capacity comes in at 16+1, using steel-lined magazines that have proven extremely reliable. But the real advantage is the OSP system. The slide is factory milled to mount popular optics directly. Trigicon, Holosun, Leupold, drop it in, torque it down, and zero. No adapters, no gunsmithing. Controls are ambidextrous. The frame texture is molded for a locked-in grip, and the extended magwell speeds up reloads under pressure. Weight balance lands right in the middle. It's light enough to carry in the right holster, but still heavy enough to keep the muzzle flat with full power ammo. Whether you're training on the range, packing into bear country, or upgrading your home defense setup with something beyond 9mm, the XDM Elite OSP delivers. Springfield designed this gun with serious shooters in mind, and it makes stepping into 10mm a lot smoother for anyone coming from polymer 9mm. If you're liking this breakdown so far, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment on what 10mm pistol you trust. We've got 5 more to go, and some heavy hitters are still on the list. Number 5. Sig Sauer P220 Elite in 10mm. This pistol is what happens when old-school craftsmanship meets modern 10mm horsepower. The P220 Elite runs a forged stainless slide over an alloy frame. It's hammer-fired, it's tough, and it soaks up recoil like it was built for it. From the factory, you're getting SIG-Light night sights. Rear adjustable, front fixed, giving you a sharp picture day or night. The barrel is chrome-lined, threaded, and measures 5.8 inches. That means better sight radius, more velocity, and the option to run a can without touching a gunsmith. Grips are textured G10 panels that lock into your hand without chewing it up. The frame's contour gives you real estate to control the recoil, but it's still comfortable enough for repeat strings. Now the safety system classic SIG. You've got an external hammer, a decocker, and multiple internal safeties. Hammer drop with a round chambered is safe. The firing pin is blocked until the trigger is pressed, and the disconnector prevents out-of-battery ignition. In other words, this gun will only fire when it's supposed to. The P220 in 10mm is accurate, reliable, and built like a duty pistol that happens to carry magnum-level energy. Backwoods carry, hunting sidearm, or just a hard-hitting range gun, this SIG brings confidence every time it leaves the holster. Number 4. Glock 20 in 10mm. If you want a straightforward workhorse, this is it. The Glock 20 is striker-fired, full-size, and it runs hot 10mm loads all day with no drama. Load it. Rack it. It's ready. You're looking at Glock simplicity, consistent trigger, easy takedown, and a reputation that's been proven for decades. Capacity is 15+1. That's a serious payload of 10mm, compared to any wheel gun on the market. Recoil is managed by the frame size and weight, and while it's a big pistol, most shooters find it surprisingly controllable even one-handed. The grip is large, but with modern texture and a steady stance, it's very manageable. Up front, you've got a rail for lights. That means it pulls double duty, home defense at night, or predator protection in the field. And the aftermarket, nobody touches Glock. Triggers, slides, optics cuts, barrels, you can make it as custom or as stock as you like. It isn't flashy. It doesn't pretend to be something it's not. It's simply a dependable 10mm platform that works for home, trail, farm, or backcountry defense. And sometimes, that's exactly what you need. Number 3. Colt Delta Elite in 10mm. This is the original production 10mm that proved the cartridge had real legs. The Delta Elite is built on the government model 1911 frame, but tuned to handle the hotter chambering. Full stainless construction. Classic Novak 3-dot sights. An upswept beaver tail safety that forces a consistent grip every draw. Colt added wide rear serrations, a flared ejection port, and an enhanced hammer. Cycle feels sharp and controlled, just like a proper 1911 should. The safeties are pure 1911 grip safety and manual thumb safety working together. That means no fire unless you're locked in with your hand. It's mechanical insurance against negligent discharges, especially when holstering under stress. The trigger? Exactly what you'd expect from a Colt. Crisp break, short reset, no slack. Capacity is 8+1 and it ships with 2 mags right out of the box. The Delta Elite isn't chasing boutique price tags. It's giving you Colt heritage, a century-tested platform, and the raw punch of 10mm all in one package. For hunting, defense, or range work, it's a proven classic that still earns its spot on the roster. Number 2. Dan Wesson Aussie 10 in 10mm. If you're a die-hard 1911 shooter and you demand performance that doesn't compromise, the Aussie 10 delivers. This pistol is built for shooters who don't settle for good enough. Price tag sits just under $1,500. But once you run a magazine through it, the craftsmanship makes sense. The slide has a Clark-style rib that's actually machined into the steel, not glued, not bolted, cut right into the metal. That gives you a rock-solid sight channel with low-profile combat sights. Clean draw, no snag, no distraction. Grips are Dan Wesson's double diamond Cocobolo wood. Classic lines, plenty of bite without chewing up your hand. Frame is forged. You've got a skeletonized hammer, a crisp blade trigger, and a 5-inch match-grade ramped barrel. That means tighter groups, smoother feeding, and real accuracy under pressure. Undercut trigger guard lets you choke up high. Add in the beaver tail grip safety and extended thumb safety. This thing locks into your hand like it belongs there. Magwell has a subtle flair for quicker reloads. It ships with one 9-round magazine, which is normal for a pistol in this class. Front and rear slide serrations are deep and sharp. Cycle feels tuned. Recoil impulse runs flat. Trigger reset is short and positive. It's a Dan Wesson, so the build quality is exactly what you'd expect. Top shelf. For hunters, backcountry carriers, or anyone who wants a 1911 that shows up and performs. The RZ-10 is elite craftsmanship in 10mm. Number 1. Glock G40 Gen 4 in 10mm. When you want maximum velocity and serious hunting power with Glock dependability, the G40 Gen 4 sits on the throne. This is Glock's long slide 10mm. It's purpose-built for hunters and shooters who want every ounce of performance this cartridge can give. The 6-inch barrel stretches out your sight radius, drives higher velocity, and tightens your groups. It also checks the legal requirement in many states that call for a longer barrel in handgun hunting. Frame is polymer, just like every other Glock, so it stays light for carry in the field. Slide runs Glock's gas nitrided finish tough, corrosion-resistant, and built for abuse. Up front, you've got a fixed sight. At the rear, Glock cuts in their modular optic system. That means you can drop in a red dot with adapter plates. No gunsmithing required. Fast target acquisition. Rock-solid lockup under recoil. 3 interchangeable backstraps let you fine-tune grip size. Reversible mag catch makes it lefty-friendly. Dual recoil spring assembly tames that 10mm snap. Follow-ups stay flatter and faster. Capacity is 10 rounds, and Glock gives you 3 magazines in the box. Trigger is standard Glock, predictable, consistent, and proven, and the safety system is the classic trio: trigger blade, firing pin block, and drop safety. Bottom line, the G40 Gen 4 is a factory hunting pistol. It's reliable, powerful, accurate, and field-ready straight out of the case. If you're serious about running 10mm in the backcountry, this is Glock's crown jewel. Let's close with some straight talk on the 10mm. It's a phenomenal cartridge, but it isn't for everybody. Recoil is heavier, ammo costs more, and most of the guns chambered in it are full size for a reason. A lot of factory loads out there are FBI light, lower pressure, softer recoil. If that's all you plan to run, you might be better off sticking with 40 S&W. It's cheaper, easier to control, and easier to carry. But when you step up to full power 10mm, you'll feel it. It's not quite a 44 Magnum, but it's no lightweight either. Drop a buffalo bore round into a Glock 29 and you'll get the picture. Compact frame. Full house load. That's a lively ride. Also, remember 10mm cartridges are long. That means double-stack pistols have a thicker grip. A Glock 20 might feel perfect in your hand, or it might feel like a brick. Check grip specs before you buy. If you're chasing concealment, be realistic. Yes, there are subcompact 10s out there, but full power loads in a tiny frame. That's like shaking hands with a guy who doesn't know when to let go. You're gonna feel it. So here's the key question. Why do you want 10mm? Woods carry, hunting, backcountry defense, or just range time with a little extra thunder? Drop your answer in the comments and let's compare notes. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and stick around because we've got more hard-hitting gun content coming your way.